here from page number 12 to page number 14, 14 and 15, you may read those given information as I summarized this information before in the previous video. There are some additional information being described, so then so you have to have this specific knowledge between which northern longitudes and eastern longitudes the Sri Lanka is located in, right? And also and the width and the length of our country, and also the sea limit zones, as well as the special features, everything that you have to revise and keep them in your mind in order to answer well in the question paper. And here now I would like to take your attention to this topographical features chart, right? So here you can see that it is being divided into three different features, right? One is central hills, the other one is intermediate plain, and the last one will be a coastal plain, right? There in central hills that we can see mainly mountain ranges, right? As we are living in central hills, it is not new to you because we are surrounded by our school and everything are surrounded by mainly the Piduruthalagala mountain range, right? So you know what I mean. And also plateaus, right? Plateaus. And plateaus they are it is a special geographical feature that's seen in the land. In Sinhala it is called Sanuwa, right? As far as I can remember, plateau is something that if you take your basin from the kitchen and then if you put it upside down, whatever the thing that you can see, like there's a gap and then flat area and again a slope, right? Likewise, if you can see a geographical feature in the land like that, so that is called a plateau. And also valley mean in Sinhala we call it Nimna, that means between two mountains, there is a low land area, so that is called as a valley. And especially when you are building dams and all, it is very much useful. And also waterfalls. Waterfalls are not new to you. Around Nuvarelia we have several waterfalls, such as Loversleep is very close. And also if you pass in the Hatton Road, we have Devon Falls and St. Clair. And also if you continue along the Kandy Road, you may see Garandial and Rambada Falls, right? And then also if you continue to Uva province side onto the Alla Road, Alla Vellavaya Road, there you can see Ravana Alla Falls, right? And there are many other falls also around Nureli area, and those are not new to you. And then gaps and passes are there, right? And we usually say top pass is in the if you continue in the Kandy Road. And also we have several callings in this what we call this Rambada Pass is there, right? Likewise we have several passes as well. And in intermediate plain we can see plains, mainly plains. That means as first thing that you will see that about the Horton Plains, right? Likewise it's a very large area and a large flat area is called as a plain. And then ridges, right? ridges mean uh, ridge also there, and then residual hills mean Sheshakandu. That mean in a flat area there are some mountains can be seen. As example, Retigala is I can name as a residual hill. And then in coastal plain we have broad plains, right? Coastal plains mean beach area, right? Coastal mean Verala. So then broad plains we can see bays, Kalapu, lagoons are there, right? Points are there, and then islands. Points mean Tudu, islands mean Dupat, and also lagoons. Lagoons are there. That mean I will find the exact single word for that and I will let you know. And then here the geographical identity of Sri Lanka is further emphasized by scenic beauty and the different relief system as well as by the favorable climatic conditions, right? The climate in our country are very much favorable to live, right? The relief and the diversity of climate attract tourists to this country. That is one of the main reasons that for the arrival of tourists to our country, and which bring us a lot of money from foreign countries, which is a very big support to our economy. But nowadays, because of the pandemic, because of the COVID pandemic, it is being reduced, and it's experiencing a huge downfall at the moment. And let's hope that it will recover soon. Then the map on 2.1F indicates the main relief zones of Sri Lanka. See that in this 2.1 map, you can see the relief zones of Sri Lanka. That means different climatic conditions, right? The one of the other importance of Sri Lanka, that means within a short period of time, within that mean by crossing a very short distance comparatively to other countries, we can experience the change in the climate. That means if I simplify it more, I can say that like in Aurelia it is very cold climate, right? We are experiencing. But if you get onto a vehicle and if you go to Velimada area, then you will feel a little bit hot, right? But if you continue along that road to Vellavae